This is Midgeorge Outdoor. I got a new toy today, or two new toys actually. This one here is still hot, but it is a Whisper Mama 2-burner gas forge. And this burner, damn, that's still hot. This burner here is currently inoperable. It doesn't work. It's got the valve up here, hose, yada yada yada. And it is a legitimate factory made forge. And it's gonna need a liner kit eventually. But I used it a little bit today. I'll touch it off for you and let you hear it and see it. Like I said, this other burner over here is... Alright, there we go. She's touched off now. There we go. It'll catch up and quit doing all that stuff and get smooth when it catches up. But the first time I touched it off, it scared me because I wasn't expecting it to do all that. And that's with the regulator turned down. And I'm about 5 feet from the forge, and you can feel the heat all the way back here. But it has a door. No, I figured the door would be hot as Hades too. The door don't make no sense to me, but I mean, it just doesn't make any sense to me. Really gets in the way, honestly. But it sits up there. I use the electric ignition don't work on it. But it's got these screws, and you can take it apart and replace the lining in it. It's got like a KO wool lining or fabric lining or something in there, but I tell you, it gets hot as hell in here when it's on. No back door, unfortunately, but it did come with a long hose. I'm pleased with the length of the hose. And the next item I got, I paid like $100 for the forge, and it was $500 on the computer. This is a 85-pound anvil, according to the guy. And the face looks to be in pretty good shape. No chunks missing out of it. The heel looks good. It's got a round hole and a hardy hole thing here for bending. Good horn. No chunks missing out of none of it. It's made by MFC. It's hollow on the inside, of course. And I've got all these hammers of mine that I had. Ball peen hammers. This is the lightest one. And this is the heavy one. This thing weighs 2 pounds, I think. This thing also weighs quite a bit. But this is the works of a set of tongs. I am quite new, and so I don't know. That thing is, well, you see how long it is there. And the plan is to drill a hole through this one and this one, you know, and get them where they'll jive with each other. I think this one here is a tad longer. Yep. Yeah, I beat that one along too much. It's a tad, well no, it ain't too much longer. Yeah. I did pretty good for the first time. But anyway, so that's 1/2 inch hot roll. Then I made this hook. I'm not impressed with it because I crunched my little thing on there. That was supposed to be on the end facing out this way, and you see it got turned and now it's all mashed out, but I continued to finish it and got a little point on the end of it. I think the next time I do one, I'm gonna get me a piece of 1 inch stuff, 1 inch square bar, and weld me a piece of 1/2 inch bar to the end of it, sticking up, and put a socket on it, and then heat and do my little thing on the end, and then bend it around the socket, and then take a bench grinder and grind my point on here, and then heat it up and bend it over, and then I don't have my drive hooks. That way I can get the same uniform look every time without having to fight. Cause see, I'm not really impressed with that, but it's the first time, so. But I'm doing this in a wood shop too, which is fine because I cleaned it out. And yep, she's still hot. I figure maybe tomorrow I will dissect this burner. And we'll see what the deal is with it. Good long hose. But that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and have a great day.